Hey everyone, it's Corey Boney with The Boney Life, and today I'm going to be giving y'all an update on my garden. We're in my garage, and this is my seed starting area. We have a fluorescent bulb, we have our seed starting tray, and then I have two different methods of growing. I've tried out these moss pods, and then also, this is my preferred method. You can either get these hex trays, or just save your transplants from last year, this year for next year. And then you can reuse those as well. Got a lot of different things that I'm growing in the garden. We've got cauliflower, kale, cucumbers, tomatoes, a whole bunch of habaneros. We have chocolate habaneros, red Caribbean, peach, Peruvian white lightning, a lot of habaneros. I like habaneros. We have serrano peppers. I'm going to try and make a nice little salsa out of that. I kind of prefer serrano peppers over jalapeno peppers, but I have some jalapeno peppers as well. I like peppers. And then also I have some rosemary and then also some lavender. My wife loves lavender, so I'm growing quite a bit of lavender as well. Lavender's very slow to germinate, but we've got some coming along pretty nicely. I've got some basil, I've got some chives, I've got some oregano, a whole bunch of stuff. So anyway, if you've never grown any seeds from your own, you can get these smaller trays that you can put in a nice well-lit area indoors. And you can just do some tomatoes or maybe your favorite pepper or anything that you would like to use during your cooking. That way you don't have to start out with big elaborate fluorescent bulbs or large seed trays. You can just start with one type of vegetable or herb and grow it indoors and then transport it outside when they've grown to maturity, and grow them outside in containers and give yourself a little bit of a green thumb. But anyway, just wanted to give y'all an update on today. Let me know what y'all are starting in y'all's gardens this year, what you're looking forward to. Are you going to try something new? What's your favorite thing to grow? And what you would like to see me grow. I'm going to also be trying my hand at building a small raised garden. I don't have a lot of backyard space, so I'm going to try to maximize that. I'm also going to build a trellis for the cucumbers and Malabar spinach. Ordered some Malabar spinach seeds. And I didn't read the fine print. They're coming from China, so Malabar spinach is going to be a little bit of a late start, but I'm going to have that on the trellis as well. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's a short video. Just want to try to give you all an update on my garden throughout the year, maybe once a month. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure to put them in the comments down below. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And until next time, go out and make something awesome.